Telegram code not received. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can fix if the Telegram code is not received, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you're trying to log into your Telegram account, as you would be able to find it over here, and whenever you're maybe trying to log into your Telegram account, you're not receiving the code on your phone number. Now sometimes you might actually get confusing when you try to log into your account and then you hit the arrow icon, you're not receiving a code on your phone, let's say, right, for some particular reason. Now that is because what happens is that whenever you go ahead and then try to log into your account, sometimes it will send the code to the another device where your Telegram account is logged in. So in that case you have to simply enter the option called tap to get code via SMS. So when you select the SMS option, it will send you the code on your SMS, because sometimes it will send to the other device. Now after you do that, only you should be able to get the code. And if it doesn't work, do not try from the same page over and over again. What I want you to do is I want you to simply go ahead and long press the Telegram app icon and then tap the I button here to come to the app info page. From here, just go to storage, clear cache, go to manage storage, and also make sure to clear all the data over here. And once you've done this, only you should be able to go ahead and then log into Telegram and also receive the code. This way you should be able to fix if you don't receive Telegram code. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.